Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, we will talk about the import range function and how to use it. The basic use of the import range function is to import data from one Google Sheet to another. For example, let's say you have a dataset in one sheet and you want to bring that data into another Google Sheet. You can do this easily using the import range function. Here how it works. Start by typing is equal to import range. The first thing you need to do is copy to URL in Google Sheet that contain the data you want to import. Paste this URL inside quotation mark. In the function, next specify the range of data you want to import. For example, if your data is in sheet 1 from cell A1 to B10, you would enter the sheet 1 A1 to B10. Inside quotation marks, close the quotation marks and press enter. Now you should see the data from the other Google Sheet appears in your correct sheet. In many cases, you might see a loading message or an error message asking you to allow access. You need to grant access to the other sheet to complete the import. Once access is granted, the data will appear. For example, if you adjust the range for B10 to B9 and press enter, the last row of data will disappear because you are sorted the range. I hope this video helps you understand how to use the import range function in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.